Hello, welcome. Today we're going to discuss microlearning videos, a qualitative study design. Microlearning videos deliver lessons in small steps that are more easily understandable and readily accessible. Learners can replay and pause the videos over and over as needed. This helps to decrease cognitive overload and allows the brain to effectively process information. By delivering small chunks of information, learners can more easily process it. In my organization, we are moving toward more microlearning videos designed to train and provide performance support at the point of need. These short lessons can efficiently and cost-effectively provide refresher training on a particular skill, walk a new employee through procedural steps, or provide case study examples to illustrate concepts or lead into discussions. Additionally, these videos are the ideal way in which to deliver small bites of content to our learners. In this qualitative study design on microlearning videos, 2 research questions will be explored. The first is, what are the attitudes of students toward using microlearning videos as instructional aids in the classroom? And the second, what are the attitudes of instructors toward developing microlearning videos as instructional aids for use in the classroom? To best answer these research questions and represent the target population for this study, both students and instructors need to participate. Using simple random sampling, each faculty member will be assigned a number. And then, of those numbers, 10 will be randomly selected from a table of random numbers. These 10 faculty members will then be asked to participate in the study. Likewise, students enrolled in courses during the interview timeframe will each be assigned a number. Of these numbers, 10 will be randomly selected from a table of random numbers. These 10 students will be asked to participate in the study. These procedures will be followed to best represent both the student and instructor populations. For the study's method of data collection, both interviewing and record review will be utilized. To best answer this study's research questions regarding attitudes, interviewing is the route to find out what someone else is thinking. Through interviewing students and instructors, we'll be able to discover details that we cannot simply observe. There will be 2 sets of interview questions. Although similar, they will vary slightly in regard to focusing on either research question 1 for students using videos or research question 2 for instructors developing videos. In addition to interviews, documents will also be collected and reviewed. This document review will help clarify and or confirm participant statements. The following data will be reviewed: instructor teaching load, instructor curriculum development history, instructor training records, student transcripts, students' hours logged in online training, and student certification level. For each interview, participant approval will be obtained to record the session for accurate transcription. The interviewer will also take handwritten notes. Participants will be informed of the purpose of the study, procedures, right to withdraw, and confidentiality. The interview will be semi-structured with a list of open-ended questions to obtain both demographic information and to ask introductory questions. For example, this introductory question can be used for both students and instructors. Additionally, participant attitudes, perceptions, and experiences with microlearning videos will also be questioned. These open-ended questions will encourage participants to respond more openly and in more detail. Some examples of student questions are listed here, and 2 examples of instructor questions are also listed. When additional information or clarification is needed, follow-up questions will be asked. After each interview, the recording will be transcribed. And to ensure accuracy, each transcript will be reviewed while listening to the interview recording. Additionally, the completed transcript will be sent to the participant to verify accuracy. The research study will follow these procedures. First, participants will be asked to join the study. Then interviews will be held at the participant's site location. Interviews will be recorded and transcribed within a day of the interviews. Each participant will verify their transcript content. Documents and records will be reviewed. The data from interviews and record review will be coded. During data analysis, coding will reveal emerging themes, and the findings will then be presented and interpreted. To increase the authenticity and accuracy of the study's findings, data will be triangulated by using multiple sources to confirm findings. Participants will verify interview content for accuracy, and colleagues or peers will review the process, findings as they develop, and interpretations. The research study requires data collection followed by data analysis. As the data is collected and reviewed, the coding process will begin. Coding is the process of assigning codes to open-ended answers so the text can be analyzed like other data. Participant responses from interviews will be broken down into chunks or segments. These segments will then be grouped into categories based on the wording of the participants' responses. As more data is gathered, bigger overarching themes or headings will emerge. Identifying and defining the patterns that emerge is the goal of this qualitative data analysis on microlearning videos. These are the resources and references that were used for this presentation, and thank you for joining me today.